Welcome back. My name is Yatisha Bhoir, lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will see the chapter number 6 of CPH. Chapter number 6 is Power Supply, part 1 video. So, power supply includes switch mode power supply, that is SMPS. You have seen SMPS in computer CPU, right? At many times. You call it as a fan of CPU for cooling purpose. That is also called as a SMPS, that is switch mode power supply. So SMPS is an electronic power supply that makes use of a switching regulator to transfer the electric power effectively. So it has the switching regulator which is used to transfer the electrical power, and from the use of that electrical power the fan rotates and it is used to cooling down the CPU processor. It is PSU, that is power supply unit, and it is usually used in the computer to change the voltage to the appropriate range for the computer. So it is used to change the voltage to the appropriate range. You notice when you start the computer, then this SMPS start rotating, right? You call it as a fan starts rotating. So when this fan is rotating, it changing the voltage to the appropriate range for the computer, so that your computer can work properly and your processor will be cooled down. So benefits of SMPS include: the switch mode power supply is small in scale. The SMPS is very lightweight. The SMPS power consumption is typically 60 to 70%, which is ideal for use. So the switch mode power supply is small in the scale. Okay, it is a small in the scale. It is a lightweight and means its weight is not that heavy. Power consumption is typically 60 to 70%. So its power consumption is 60 to 70%, which is ideal for use. It consumes the power to 60 to 70%. Okay, so it doesn't take so many power. SMPS is strongly anti-interference. It is anti-interference means what? It does not get affected with the environmental changes. The SMPS production range is large. Its production manufacturing range is also high, and because of it, every computer in the use is called SMPS. So means SMPS is used in every computer. It is essential. Okay, because every computer uses SMPS, its production is also large. Limitations of SMPS: the complexity of SMPS is very large, the production reflection is high, and its control in weak is in the case of SMPS. So its production is high, its manufacturing is high, and because of it, its control is weak. So SMPS, you have seen SMPS in many computer. Almost every computer uses SMPS. Okay, SMPS is the mandatory part of the computer. You can see the fan. This is the SMPS and it is located in the motherboard like this. And when you start the computer, it starts rotating. So that fan which is used for cooling down the processor is called as an SMPS, that is switch mode power supply. Okay, so next part of the power supply we will see in the next video, that is part 2 video.